Good morning everyone and welcome back again. I'm Miss Daddy and this is Science Equals Fun. Theme 1 Systems Concept 1 Adaptation and Survival. Adaptation and Survival. In the sea you can find fish and fish have gills to breathe. But on land you can find a human and the human have lungs to breathe. So fish have gills to breathe and human have lungs to breathe. But do you think is there any living organism that can breathe in both sea and land? Let's see. Now let's talk about amphibians. Repeat after me. Amphibians, amphibians, amphibians. Now it's time to know what the meaning of amphibians. Amphibians are small animals such as frogs, toads, and salamanders. Now repeat after me. Frogs, 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 toads, 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 salamanders, 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 frogs, toads, and salamanders. Okay, where we can find them? We can find the frogs, toads, and salamanders in moist environments like rainforest streams and ponds. So we can find frogs, toads, salamanders, or any amphibian in moist environments like rainforest streams and ponds. Okay. They need water as humans to survive, but in a different way. Like humans, adult amphibians can breathe using their lungs when they are on land, but they can also take oxygen from water, so they can do both. Take oxygen from air by using their lungs, and they can take oxygen from water. They can do both. Now it's time to know how do amphibians get oxygen from water. How do amphibians get oxygen from water? How they extract oxygen from water? Amphibians are covered with the skin that allow water and gases to pass through. So, water and gases enter the body of amphibians through the skin. Water surrounds the skin of amphibians, making their body or their skin moist. So, the water that surrounds the body of amphibians make their skin moist. What's this for? So, they can absorb or extract oxygen directly from water. So the water that surrounds the skin of amphibians make their skin moist, and this helps in absorbing or extracting oxygen directly from water. Okay. This structural adaptation make amphibians well suited to live in wet environment, and we said that it's a structural adaptation, not behavior adaptation, because we were talking about part or organ from the amphibians, which is skin. So we're talking about structural adaptation. This structural adaptation make amphibians well suited for what? To live in wet environment. Now let's talk about the role of scientists to protect many types of frogs from extinction. Now repeat after me. Extinction, extinction, extinction. Okay. What is meant by the role of scientists to protect many frogs from extinction? We mean that what should scientists do to protect them from extinction? Scientists are working to save many types of amphibians from extinction, like golden frogs in rainforest, by studying the following. How do these animals interact with their environments? What makes these animals sick in their environments? The reasons for the disappearance of these animals around the world at frightening rates. The reasons for the disappearance of these animals around the world at frightening rates. Frogs need clean water to stay healthy because they are sensitive to the effects of water and air pollution, destroying the natural environment, and viruses that can travel through water. So they are sensitive to water and air pollution, destroying the natural environment, and viruses that can travel through water. Do you know that 90 species of amphibians have become extinct in the last 20 years, in addition to 124 other endangered species? Now let's learn about how to protect the amphibians from extinction. For biologists, understanding how amphibians breathe in air and water help them to search for pollution factors that threaten the amphibians in air and water. For people, clean air and water are important for amphibians, so people should avoid throwing waste materials in water and dispose of chemicals in the correct way helps to avoid water pollution. So, for biologists, understanding how amphibians breathe in air and water helps scientists search for pollution factors that threaten amphibians in air and water. For people, clean air and water are important for amphibians, so people should avoid throwing waste materials in water and dispose of chemicals in the correct way, help to avoid water pollution. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need anything to ask about, just comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.